Sup, followers? My name is Nelson. Welcome to Nelson POV. Today I got AUTOONE series headlights. These are pretty cool. I actually just installed one and I'm very happy with it because it is 100% a 1-to-1 fit. Oh, you can see my hands are still dirty. Oh yeah. So the car we're going to be installing it is actually a really cool car. It's an older type car because you can see this light bulb. This is actually a 9003 and it actually has instructions on here on how to install a 9003. We're going to go over this little pamphlet real quick. It's just information you need to know before you install. So mine is a 9003, has a clip. Remove the clip from the bulb, put the bulb in, put the clip back on. Pretty simple. I'll show you guys how to do that. I hope I can get you guys in there. If you have a 907, those are instructions. 9006. And we got some things right here. 26-watt bulb. It's got that new Z's chip. It's a 6K, which is a bright white of a light. It's not... it has maybe a little bit of tint of blue, but it's white for the most part, which is I love. I hate the yellow. Blue is kind of just like kind of tacky. It's got some temperatures. The life of the bulb is 50,000 hours, so that's pretty plug and play. 100% plug and play. I've already tested it, and it's 100% 1-to-1, and I think that is really something cool. You can see this is all type metal, type aluminum. The bulb and the plug are the same. The way it goes in is the same, so they got it really well matched. I've had some where they're just dumb. And the coolest thing about this is an LED. So even the older LEDs that I've had, they got this fan and they got this part and this extra thing and they got this cable, or the HIDs with these cables and ballast. This is all built into one. It has the headlight up here, and then it has the high beam down here, which is pretty cool, just like this guy, the different elements that it has. So it has the headlight up here, the low light down there, or vice versa. I'm not 100% sure, but it's got the same elements, and the instructions also tell you, hey, oh, this is how to install, but they say how to get a warranty, check for this, make sure that the elements are not broken before installing. If you have flickering errors, which I do not. If you have no light errors, which I do not. If you have dim, which mine do not. And then following conditions are beyond warranty. Yeah, and you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, AUTOONE LED. So yeah, I'm really happy with these and impressed. I love that they're 1-to-1. These are by far the easiest ones I've installed. And I used to buy these all the time when I bought a car. I'd buy a car online. I buy cars every single day. I'm a car dealer. So I know people love that about me. But I'm a car dealer and I do buy cars every single day. And I used to put LEDs and HIDs all the time. And for top and bottom, what I mean is headlight and then fog lights, about $200. Look at these prices. So yeah, you're going to spend about $120 if you get top and bottom, headlights and fog lights. But look at this. These are $24 for 6K or 60K, and they're going to be white, they're going to be bright, they're going to be great. You get 2 years of warranty with these. These are the AUTOONEs. These are the 9003s. Yeah, I think they're great. I think they're excellent. Let's go take a look at the car. Before we do that too, I'm also going to do a POV test drive comparison in the very end, so stick around for that. And then probably like in a week or two, I'll do a POV test drive of the entire car with these headlights on, and I'll let you guys know if they've lasted a week, how long they've lasted, if they're good. So it's a little later in the day. We're inside our Scion, and you see we still have our stock headlights. These are that ugly yellow. And there's, you know, stock. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just stock. You can see they are very dim now. Barely see them. And honestly, I just don't like yellow. Let's install our other ones and see what happens. All right, this is our Scion XA. This thing is really nice, but these 9003s can be a little difficult to do, mostly because of, do I have the instructions with me? They should have some type of clip. You see, they're just the straight plugins, so that can give you some problem instead of a twist on, but I think we can do it. Looks like I'm gonna give you a hint. My hand's a little dirty, and that's fine. There you go. So that's all it is. That's off. And ow, ow. So I can't get the camera in there, guys. Let me take out this plastic just to see. I just want to see. Okay, yeah, it does have the clip, but those clips are relatively easy if you know where the way they go. Look, it has this push, so push it in and then out, or up or down or in and out. Okay, so this goes that way. Okay, it has another one up here. This is the one. Let me put it back on. Okay, this one goes on it this way. Okay, there you go. So we're gonna take, it has 1 and 2, and then this is gonna slip right off. We have it this way. Let me grab mine, put it in the exact same way. Looks pretty good. These are supposed to be 1-to-1, and that's pretty cool. So this is the high, or this is the low beam, this is the high beam. That's awesome. I love that. Put mine in here. Let's put this guy in there. Let's see if it really is 1-to-1, and I hope you guys can see this. If not, then I'll just edit it. Okay, that one went in. You guys like watching me struggle, huh? Oh, perfect. So there it is. I believe that is a 1-to-1 fit. Before we put that on, let's put this cap. Just slip it right over. Make sure our light bulbs sockets are sticking out. Okay. I'm not seeing them yet, but let me fold this down. And keep folding it, keep folding it, keep folding it. Okay, I see them. Let me see if I can plug this guy in. And that is just to keep water and moisture out. Okay. All right, they're in. But look at my hand. Let's turn them on, because I'm this guy over here. And honestly, I hate yellow. Hate yellow on the headlights. But yeah, that is cool. So they are working. That's perfect. I'm not going to show the install on this one just because it's the same thing, just a little bit more things in the way. The battery might have to come off, which is good. I got to get a new battery for it. And you can see there's all these other things. So the only thing now is the POV test drive, which I think is the ultimate test, right? This is POV Nelson. We got to do a POV test drive.